Welcome to episode number 20. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. Today we're going to learn what it means to be a recording artist. We've got a very special guest today, Eldre Chisholm. Mr. Chisholm has been a substitute teacher at Hope Academy, a basketball coach, and is a recording artist.
Special guest with Mr. Z.
Well, welcome, Mr. Chisholm. Thank you for joining us on the show today.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Yeah, so like I was just mentioning, you're a music artist. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, I am a music artist. I've been doing music for a little while now, so it's been a blessing. But yeah, that's what I do.
How and when did you get started with music recording?
Music has been a part of my life for like a while. So I was like writing music when I was about 13, 14, and then it really got serious more when I turned 21. My life was given to the Lord, and then from there I really took it serious and seen it as something that I could use to spread the gospel.
So which of your songs that you've created are your favorites?
I would probably say the music that I make about my wife.
We got a party tonight, just me and you. We got a party tonight, me and you, girl, nah. We got a party tonight.
Well, it'd be great if you could show us a little bit about how you do your work and where you have it all set up.
Absolutely, come follow me.
Let me show you where I do music. Follow me. So the space is not too big because with the studio as an artist, all I do is record music and I can send my music to a producer. Here you have different things that make sure the sound goes into the mic, that other noises outside don't come in. And then you have this is called an interface where the music from here goes in here and then it goes into the computer where then the sound can be taken inside the program.
Can you tell us a little bit about how it works to create a song?
Alright, so the process of me songwriting or creating the song, so I'll either do two things. I'll write and then find a beat, or I'll find a beat and write to that beat. A lot of times I like to freestyle because it's freedom and my creativity. Okay, so let me show you a process. So this is with no beat. This is what it sounds like. True glory through battle with flesh. It's true life in Christ, while it's death, that's at your flesh. Glory to the Lord. Now I'm going to put the beat in. The beat is placed, it was already in, but sometimes I have to drag the beat in, and then this is what it sounds like with the beat. Give it God true glory through battle with flesh. It's true life in Christ, while it's death, that's at your flesh. So that's my process of creating music.
And you and Mrs. Chisholm have a little one on the way soon.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can get him into music too.
I saw that you dropped a new album this week. Are there any ways that we can support you as an artist?
Absolutely. You can find my music on Spotify, iTunes, and YouTube. All you have to do is search Aldre, A-L-D-R-E, and it should pop up. You can also purchase some of my music, which is also on these platforms, from albums that are $10 to singles that are just 99 cents. So, in whatever way you guys want to support, I'm very grateful if it's just streaming artists purchasing.
Well, great. Thanks for joining us today on the show.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
Thank you, Mr. Chisholm. If you'd like to listen to his music, the links are in the video description below. Mr. Chisholm, with your little guy on the way, you're going to want to make sure that you got plenty of dad jokes ready to go. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Little old lady.
Little old lady who?
I didn't know you could yodel. What do you call a singing laptop? Adele.
Hello.
Everyone discouraged Sam from singing. Sam sung anyway. Yesterday's riddle was, what is something you can hold without ever touching it? Your breath. Today's riddle is from Mr. Quiggle. The man that builds it doesn't need it. The man that buys it doesn't want it. The man that uses it doesn't know it. What is it? Again, the man that builds it doesn't need it. The man that buys it doesn't want it. And the man that uses it doesn't know it. What is it? Today's encouragement is from the book of Ephesians, chapter 6, verse 10. This is a book that I just finished up reading last week. Finally, be strong in the Lord and in his mighty power. So this verse says that our strength comes from the Lord and it comes from His mighty power. And that's really encouraging to me because it's not dependent on me and what I can do, but it's dependent on the Lord and His strength and His mighty power. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you again next week.